Welcome back at another episode of EastRockGarage. I fixed the new Catback exhaust N1 style. We're gonna put it on the S13, see how it sounds. Stay tuned. This is the old exhaust. It's pretty rusty and ugly. So it's time for a new one.
We gon' take the city over. We gon' take the city over.
Yeah.
We gon' take the city over. Take the city over.
This is the old piece of crap. We cut off the center muffler already. It was leaking quite badly. In the meantime,
what's up?
so there you have it. The new twin tip N1 style Catback. Not exactly new, I got it second hand from a friend. But I think it looks a lot better than the original did. And it sounds a lot better as well.
We gon' take the city over.
In the meantime, Bert has fixed the faulty hanger from the exhaust.
Hell yeah. Some great setup we got here.
Engineering.
As you can see, this is one of the OEMs. And we put a rubber on a rubber, but we gave it some stability with a piece of sheet metal in there. So yeah.
So now she's all sturdy.
But she's on a rubber and not on steel. It's exhaust day at the
It's
shop.
exhaust day. Onbetwist, de uitlaatspecialist.
Awesome.
We gon' take the city over. Take the city over.
So I'm also replacing the left motor from the headlights. It's making a lot of noise. I think one of the brushes is just done. It gets stuck all the time. So I got another one for that.
Another one.
So here's the old motor. And it's making some noise that it shouldn't. So time for another one.
Another one.
Now the new motor is in. Let's see how it works. Perfect.
Oh my god.
Nee, dat is Wijkoen. Dat is Wijkoen met 614 daar.
Oh, my balls! I felt them scraping.
Ze staat daar vol naar ons te kijken of zo. Met zijn volle jank met een kleine dot erachteraan dan. Als kaart te staan.
Koen erbij. Alright, like, comment and subscribe. We hope you enjoyed this video and that's a wrap for today.